AERYS Village by Atelier Kalm in Somone, Senegal. Located on the banks of the Somone lagoon in the Thies region, the AERYS Village project is a true haven of peace and natural beauty, totally preserved since 1987. The initial idea was to remain in osmosis with nature. We had to build in the middle of the existing Prosopis. Subsequently, around 100 trees of different varieties were added to the site. The aim was to create a new reserve of plant biodiversity. The bioclimatic architecture of the project consists of a complex of 8 villas, each built on a plot of approximately 1,000 square meters. Each villa comprises 4 bedrooms/bathrooms, a traditional kitchen, a family kitchen, a central living room with a guest toilet, storage areas, technical areas, a swimming pool, and large terraces. The project takes the form of multiple small buildings, repeated like the huts of a modernized traditional village. This type of split housing is also characteristic of Senegalese second homes, where people live in dispersed family units. The AERYS project is thus characterized by this profound link between inside and outside, with each space strongly connected to nature. The use of pergolas and the judicious placement of trees ensure that the sun's rays are kept under control. In addition, the many through openings allow fresh air to circulate inside the buildings. A second air circulation system can be found at the top of the roof structure, providing nighttime air renewal. This roof ventilation allows the wood to breathe better, as it is a material that moves over time. The materials used have a high ecological footprint. The outer shell of each building is made up of mud brick walls, guaranteeing better control of thermal inertia. Some materials are taken directly from the site, such as lateritic stone, which is used for cladding on one side opposite the lagoon and for decoration on the pool walls. The floors of the outdoor terraces are clad in shells, and the fencing walls are in taglue. All cladding is made using local Senegalese techniques.